So I think orthopedics is the most amazing profession. We have the ability to immediately make an impact. We have that ability to take people out of pain. Very few professions allow one to make such an immediate impact. That's the value of orthopedics. That's what allows us to come to work, to start early in the morning, to finish late at night, because we have the ability to truly affect people's lives in a very positive manner. I am a native of Dallas. I grew up near the Galleria in North Dallas. I went to the local public schools and graduated from W.T. White High School. I then went to University of Texas in Austin and then spent 4 years at UT Houston for medical school. I then traveled to Chicago and spent 5 years in an orthopedic residency at Loyola University, just outside Chicago, and finally spent 1 year doing a shoulder and elbow fellowship at the University of Pennsylvania in Philadelphia. I am a shoulder and elbow specialist. That includes fractures of the upper extremity, including the elbow and shoulder, as well as soft tissue procedures such as rotator cuff repair, ligament repair, as well as shoulder replacement and elbow replacement. I treat patients aged 2 to over 90 years old. Age is not necessarily an important number for me. It's all about how the patient feels. My goals when treating patients are to understand what it is that they want me to do for them. Sometimes it's about getting them back to playing sports. Sometimes it's just about getting back to the garden. So the patient and I have to figure out how we accomplish those goals. Sometimes that's a surgical fix, but oftentimes it's a physical therapy and/or injection to decrease their pain, to allow them to get back to the things that they want to do. I like to think it's a shared decision between what the patient wants and what I can do for them. Outside of work, I spend a lot of time with my family. Both my kids are very involved in sports. My son plays soccer and my daughter's a gymnast. Most of our weekends are spent either at the soccer field or at a gymnastics meet. In addition to spending time at the sports fields, we often travel as a family. We love spending time outdoors on vacation. I also like to read, and if I get the occasional couple of hours, I like to play golf.